I'm Maddox. And I'm Dash. We're Maddash. And today, we're at the Blue Zoo in Oklahoma at Quail Springs Mall. Some of my bird friends don't just like to fly in the air. They like to walk on the ground. We have helpers at the aquarium wearing shirts like this. But the biggest, most important rule of all is have fun.
Thanks, Bubbles. All right, everybody. I hope you're ready to learn about all the amazing things.
All right, guys, we're in the aquarium or the Blue Zoo. There's only two in here. Look how they made that. There's a lobster or crawfish, a little bluefish. Mom, look at Nemo. Baby Nemo. I wanted to get one of these. Baby Nemo. This is probably that was probably one of the coolest fish I've ever seen.
Are we feeding?
Yes.
All right. Here are these. Now you're just going to hold them between your two fingers, just like that, and keep your hands flat. See how he did it? Just like that. And they'll come up to you, and since their mouths are on their stomachs, they're going to just come up and just slide their mouths right onto you.
All right.
Put your hands like this, and just come up like that.
Okay. Oh my. Yeah. Can they bite?
No, you just kind of like, if you put a vacuum cleaner, they'll just kind of like,
Come here, fishy, fishy. Yeah, and it like. Alright guys, we're taking the elevator to the second floor. Alright, I gotta do that. I'll go faster, ready? 1, 2. Whoa, what is that? They have a cotton candy machine. Oh, Oh, there's a snake right there. That's one of the biggest snakes in the world.
You want to pet him? Yeah. This is Clyde. He is a bearded dragon. He is our biggest boy that we have. They start out really small, only about like this big, and then they grow, and get really big. And as they grow, they shed.
Oh my God.
The turtles come in the visit.
Yes, he can come out, yeah.
You can use Ryan. You want to see that turtle? He's going for his throw. Oh, I'm not your mama. Stay right here. It's all right. I almost got on one little bit. I thought it was mine.
All right, should keep it pinched. All right, did you take it?
Can I feed it?
Yeah, you can feed him. Can you do a piece? All right, go ahead. The monitors and the tegus eat meat, which is strange. You wouldn't think that was a Z. But they eat all kinds of fish. They eat rats, mice.
I can't even get in there. Just
Get
go
your hand
far.
deep enough. Do you want me to lift it up a little more? There you go.
Whoa.
There you
Scared
go.
me.
Westland walking feet.
Imagine catching one of these.
So you'll go up to the tank. You'll stick it into the tank. Hopefully it'll stick to the glass.
Do they jump up and get it?
They are no nervous of people, so you may have to back up a little. Oh, they use,
Spit at me.
yeah, they use their tongues like a water ball.
Oh shit.
Oh, I see it. I see it. Oh, okay, you got one more.
Come on. Get it. They almost got it, and they got it. Oh, there's.
Oh, daddy, right? Like, do you want to?
Oh, got it. Okay, what do you do? Please get it.
He's trying to back up. And that turtle's like, where's some more? Oh, he's gonna get it.
Oh!
Did he get it? Yeah.
Fish is little. It says, put your hand in the tank. Riley, are you listening? It says, put your hand in the tank to get a tickly treatment. Our manicure fish love to nibble your fingers. The people in Turkey have been using these fish for skin for over 400 years.
Hey guys,
Hello.
if you guys want some bird seed and have a Blue Zoo token, you'll just put it through here.
We had a lot of fun today. My favorite was the clownfish. And my favorite was the clownfish too. Oh, wait, and I want to get one of those super bad. I want to get like 30. They're really cool and they're cute. Thanks for watching our video. Please like and subscribe. Bye.